Let me talk GoPro with the CEO. He's with us now from the Nasdaq. It priced at $24 a share last night. That was the top end of the range. Values the company at nearly $3 billion. Nick, thanks so much for joining us. Let me ask, first of all, about your decision to go to Nasdaq. Were you not concerned after what we saw happen with Facebook?
No. I mean, I'm an operator, right? I'm in business, and I understand these things happen, and businesses learn from them. And ultimately improve as a result of missteps like that. So that didn't factor in at all. And Nasdaq is a fabulous platform for us to take GoPro public. They're a very passionate brand, very passionate organization, and so it was an easy decision.
Nick, the deal was so well oversubscribed. Why didn't you push pricing even higher?
Well, we want to extend the same brand experience to our new customers, our investors, that our camera customers have. And that is one where we like to exceed expectation. We're extremely excited to share GoPro in this new dimension as a public company and get the story out there on a global scale. And we just couldn't be happier.
Now, you are selling some shares. Why are you doing that?
Well, I'm still going to own roughly a third of the company now that we're a public company. I started GoPro 12 years ago, and I bootstrapped it. And I've never been more passionate. And we have a lot of employees that have been longtime believers. And it's important that they get to participate in the success that they've built at GoPro. And it's extremely important for us to remain competitive in Silicon Valley as we try to recruit the brightest and best out there. And being a public company just makes it that much easier.
I say, full disclosure, I'm a user of GoPro. I have been since it came out. We use them, obviously, here at Bloomberg. Today, I strapped a Hero 3 Plus to my chest and walked around making a video of the market makers team. There's Brad Tucker. He's one of our PR guys. What about the competition? I mean, okay, we are still using these, but there are a lot of other small wearable camera makers out there. How do you sort of, the barriers to entry are so low, how do you differentiate yourself?
Well, truth be told, we've had competition since the beginning, but in volume since about 2008, when GoPro really started to have some success. We started to see low-cost competitors, knockoffs show up. And then we've had some of the bigger consumer electronics companies in the world compete with us for the last 2 or 3 years. And we've only seen our market share grow during that time period.
How can your market share grow from 100%?
Well,
there was nothing else at first.
We're in a little bit of a different business at GoPro. We think of ourselves as being in the content enabling business because we recognize that when our customers capture and share compelling content of exciting, interesting life experiences, and they tag, title, describe their content as GoPro, our customers are virally driving awareness and enthusiasm for our company, our brand, and our products.
How are you going to...
And to compete with GoPro, you have to have millions of people capturing and sharing their experiences and giving you credit for it, and that's why our competitors have not made any inroads.
How are you going to monetize this content strategy? I love watching GoPro videos. I don't currently pay anything for it. How are you going to change that?
Well, you just mentioned you love watching GoPro videos, and when you ask somebody, hey, GoPro, what do you think of? They usually say, oh, the amazing videos that everybody's sharing and that I see going viral online. And they think of GoPro as a consumer product company, a hardware company second. And so what that tells you is that we have a global audience that is engaged, and when they see our logo hit, and the video begin, they know that they're about to see something interesting, so they pay attention. And by definition, that's the job of a media company, is to engage an audience so that you can then monetize that engagement. It's not something we've started doing, but it's certainly an opportunity for us.
But where exactly do you monetize it? In advertising?
Sure, there's a number of ways. Being in the content enablement business, you're really helping to shepherd the lifespan, the life cycle of video. And so we monetize it first by selling a capture device. Then if we have content creation tools and services, perhaps, we may be able to monetize helping our customers create summary edits. And then there's an opportunity to monetize the resulting programming. So at GoPro, we're able to aggregate the best of our customers' content and redistribute it on the GoPro channel as you see today.
All right, Nick, thanks so much for joining us. GoPro CEO Nick Woodman.